Using a piece of paper, folding a piece of paper into parts, it's fantastic for helping you when you're adding fractions, especially when you're dealing with quarters or say halves. But when your denominators become a bit more complex, like sevens, it's good to have other ways of doing it. So we're going to have a look at using bar modeling for adding fractions. Just look at this first example. We've got 2 sevens plus 2 sevens. Let's go over here. So imagine we've got a chocolate bar. And you've already eaten 2 sevens of that chocolate bar. And then you eat another 2 sevens of that chocolate bar. So how many chocolate bars have you eaten altogether? Well, we can see that 2 sevens plus 2 sevens is 4 sevens. What I can also do here is find a few other number facts. So I can see if all of these were coloured in, that would be 7 sevens. So if then I took away these 4 sevens, I would be left with 3 sevens. That's just a little quickie number fact I was able to find. So when you're doing your work, see if you can find some of your own number facts. Anyway, back to the adding fractions. So next one, we've got 2/5 plus 1/5. So I'm going to have a look now. Imagine this is a pizza. And imagine one piece of that pizza has already been eaten. So you can see, right, there are 4/5 left. Now imagine, let's go back, sorry. Imagine 2 pieces had already been eaten. So you see 2 are eaten and 3 pieces are left. Now imagine then another 1/5, another 1 slice of this pizza was eaten. How much of the pizza was eaten altogether? I can see, right, okay, well, 3/5 of that pizza have been eaten altogether. Okay, now I'm going to move on, move my paper out of the way. I'm going to move on to this last one. Now this is going to be a little bit trickier, and this is why. So we've got 3 sevens plus 6 sevens. So in my box here, my fractions, in my bar model, you can see that. So I've got so far 3 sevens, and I want to add 6 of them. So I'm going to add 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I needed to add 6, but I couldn't. So what I need to do is introduce a new chocolate bar and cut that one into 7 slices. And then, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then I'm gonna add those last 2 bits on and see that when I add 3 sevens plus 6 sevens, it makes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 sevens. Okay, so what I want you to do now, I want you to use bar modeling to work out the questions on the next slide. You can choose either level 1 or level 2. Level 2 is the most challenging.